Hello guys, welcome back to GeoCAD Chronicles. So for today's tutorial, we are going to see how to add lines and polygon data into our files. So to start with, first load your base map. I have already loaded mine by going to Web, Quick Map Services, and then I use the OpenStreetMap. And then after there, let us start with the lines. So I have to make sure that the line layer is active. Right click on it, I set toggle editing. And before that, we have to first make sure that you have this editing tool here by going to toolbars and then settings, digitizing the toolbar to be active. So I right click here, I set toggle editing. So by that, it's now on. You can see that these features are now active. Then I say add line feature. So let me start with this road here from Boyogerere by from Boyogerere it comes. So this is how it goes. There's a curve here. I want to stop somewhere. So it comes. Let me stop at this roundabout here. So I right click, give it an ID of one. Name Ginger Road, Ginger Road, and let wishes today. So I say okay. You can see that it is dark. It means I had already changed this. I'm going to show you how. So let's have another road. Let's have another road. Let's do part of this northern bypass. Let's do from this. There is a roundabout from here. We come like this. So we are going to go up to Namungona roundabout here. Right click. Give it an ID of 2. This is northern. The date we give it today. So I think guys you can see how we are digitizing our layers. So let's have also do this road, Bogo Road, from here in this junction, like this. We're just doing random roads. So let us stop here, I think. Okay, let's finish up to where Kampala ends. The boundaries of Kampala comes up to here. So this is ID of 3, Mbogo. And then the date we give it of today. We say okay. So that's how you add the point and the lines. So we save our edits by clicking this. Then we turn off the edit feature. So the reason why mine are that dark and have a big width, go to properties, right click here, the layer, go to properties. Under properties, you go to symbology. You can see that I have my width as this. I have, so when I select a different line, let me say this, the width changes. I can adjust the width. I can as well as change the color. something like that. I say apply. When I say apply, we can see that they have changed. So that's for the points, I mean for the lines. So let's go to polygons. So for the polygon, we turn this off, we turn the polygon layer on. So it's still the same way, I have to make sure this is on. Right click, toggle editing, so these ones become active. Then we select the add polygon feature tool. Then let's start with workers range here. So I will start with take a point here like this. It becomes is actually up to this. So you're doing workers range. So you have to keep a keen eye on all these curves. I think it's like that. I right click. I give it an ID of one name. Looks like a worker. Square meter area. So let's leave that. So okay. So I think guys we can see it here. Let's do another one. Let's do this end pitch for Chambogo. We right click here. So go like this. So I think that's it. Give it an ID of 2. And this is end pitch. End pitch. So okay. I think guys we can see. Let's do a last one, third one here. Cricket grounds for Chambogo. So we start with this. I'm like this. On the curve here. So we right click, we say ID of 3, and this is Chambogo Cricket. So KYU Cricket grounds. So we say okay. So from there, guys, we say save features. We turn this off. We end the editing too, so we can see we have them here. So we can then go to properties for this under symbology. So we can change how they look like. We can decide to use these symbols, the hashed green area. So when I change them, guys, we can see they have changed also. So let's go to properties. So when I change and I say apply, you can see that they are changing. For the color, you can also come here, you choose what kind of color you want. That we say okay. The symbols are all here. When we say close. So let's see how to measure this using the. So we go to attribute table. Remember we didn't put in our areas for this. So we'll go to geometry calculator, this one here. We click on it. So we are not going to create new field, we are going to update one because it's already there. We say update and we choose the field you want, area and square meters. So we go to the geometry and on this column here we look for geometry. Geometry is here, this one here. So with a dollar sign of the area, so we click that. So when it comes here, so they are giving us a preview here, the east end, Kabaka and that. So we say apply, then we say okay. So when we come back to our attribute, we can see we have it here. So we save our area. So it's the same thing, going to the line layer, open attribute. So geometry calculator, update existing field, we'll look for the distance in meter, go to geometry. Under geometry we choose to go look for the dollar sign with length, then we double click it, so they give us a preview here. Then we say apply, and we say okay. So they are here, and then we save. So that's it, and that's how you add line and polygon data into your files and a brief calculation using quick geometry. So let me stop here, guys. Subscribe, leave your questions and comments in the comment sections, and like for more tutorials like this.